And this is a photo safari, so feel free to have those cameras out and ready to take as many pictures. Stop at any time to pick up lost items. Remember, these are real wild animals out here. I would recommend an action or sports setting for those cameras so you get some good pictures of all those moving animals. Now, as soon as we get the all clear, we will be heading into the reserve Little Magic Kingdom. The animals that live in the forest pattern. They have very long purple tongues, just like giraffe. Out there on the hill on our left, you might see some very large birds. Those are the saddle-billed storks. Now, if you look very carefully at the base of the bill, it does look like they have an English saddle strapped right to it.
Wow.
So you can see it moving its ear around still a bit, always aware of its surroundings. We're fortunate to have them here because due to poaching and habitat loss, there are less. Antelope are the greater kudu. And they are the second tallest antelope in Africa. We have 3 greater kudu and they are all female, so they do not have horns, only the males have horns. While the bongos, both female and male, have horns. Pelicans. They get that name because their backs turn a pinkish color during mating season. You can see those hippos really moving around here. They are born at about 85 pounds and they can grow up to be around 5,500 pounds. A group of them is called...
É verdade, filho. Mas a gente viu, filho.
Looks like they must have just come back out.
Acho que tá debaixo d'água
agora. They just eat a bunch of plants. You can see them round in the island there. The hippos snacking on some lettuce.
Hippopotam.
And they might not look like they'd be able to move very fast, but they can actually put together all throughout the area here. And do make sure to keep looking to the left, folks, because we're about to drive right over our Nile crocodiles. They can grow to be 20 feet long. They are reptiles, so they're exothermic. They can hold their jaws open to help cool themselves off. They can also put about 2,000 pounds of pressure per square inch of those jaws. They are quite strong. Feet forward. Looks like they're all kind of taking a bit of a nap in the shade right now.
Antelope qui couche cá pour reposer là.
Making kind of sound. They're also known as the painted dogs because it looks like that pattern is painted right onto their coats. A good spot in there is a giraffe antelope. They are the emblem for Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Born a light shade of brown, they get darker as they mature. The gray animals are the white bearded wildebeest. And they're part of one of the largest migrations in Africa. Their herds can reach over 1 million. And we have all Maasai giraffe here on the safari ride. They have kind of jagged edges to their spots like puzzle pieces.
É a girafa de verdade, filho. Cube giraffe.
Giraffe are born at about 6 feet tall, 20 feet tall.
Et puis girafe là en fait il déjà plus haut passé environ 6 pieds. Qui connaît mieux toujours dire me coûte pile parfois.
20 feet does also mean that the crocodiles can grow to be just as long. As a next, you'll see they have kind of extra skin down there, an extra dewlap of skin on their necks. It's an easy way to distinguish them from other kinds of zebras. Every zebra does have a different pattern of stripes to the next ones, kind of like how fingerprints are for humans.
Fala, filho.
Olha aquele animal ali. Eu sei se faz ver.
Zebras are related to donkeys and horses, so they might remind you. And you might also see some animals with very large white horns out there between the palm trees. Those are the anpil cow. They're the only domesticated species in the savanna area here. Their horns can go.
De novo.
Now it's quite cool to see the giraffe laying down because giraffe need to make sure they feel very comfortable in an area before they commit to laying down. It takes quite a bit of effort for them to get back up with those long legs. So in the wild, it would be a little bit more rare to see them lay down.
Lè yo di yon moun giraffe yo zou an pil
See
oui.
them lay down quite
Si
frequently.
depi le giraffe la fèt li ka deja pi ou
Pretty
pasim.
crazy about the giraffe is that they do sleep a grand total of about 30 minutes a day. You can see the anpil camel again on the right there. And giraffe eat about 18 to 20 hours.